Hi everybody, it's LeeAnn. Today we're going to do a microwave cooking recipe. It's called Denver Scramble. You're also able to do it on the stove top if that's what you prefer. It's a great recipe because it's for an individual serving. Ingredients for this recipe are 2 tablespoons of red pepper. If you don't have red and have green, that would work fine. A tablespoon of chopped onions, some water, a slice of deli ham cut up. You could use the cube ham or some leftover ham that you may have, and 1 egg, and then salt and pepper to taste. So it's important what bowl we use today because we're using the microwave. I'm going to use a glass bowl for this recipe. You could use a pottery bowl, a Corningware. What's a good thing to do is check the bottom to make sure it's microwave safe. What we don't want to use is something that's metal or that would have a metal trim. If you see the gold that goes around this little bowl, that would cause sparks in your microwave, so you definitely don't want to use that. Okay, so before you start cooking, you're going to definitely want to make sure your hands are washed and make sure your surfaces, your countertops and that are clean. I've already gone ahead and prepped our ingredients today, so I have 2 tablespoons of red pepper that I've chopped into small pieces. I have a tablespoon of onion that I've also chopped that we will put in our bowl. And then we're going to microwave this 30 seconds until it's soft. All right, so we've got it in the microwave and we're going to put 30 seconds on it, so that's 30. You always want to make sure you double check that number so that it doesn't add an extra 0 or whatever for you. Okay, so you can see that the onion and red pepper are starting to get softened, microwaving it that 30 seconds. So then we're going to add our egg. And if you're more comfortable, you can do that in a separate bowl to make sure you don't get any eggshells. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of water. And then I'm going to add some black pepper right away. I am not going to salt this right away just because the ham is salty. And we don't typically eat a lot of salt in our house. So you're just going to want to make sure you break up that egg yolk and get that white and egg yolk all mixed. So something like that. It'll look like scrambled eggs for sure. And then you can dump in your deli ham or your cubed ham, leftover ham from last night. And then you're just going to stir that up so everything is coated. Okay. And then we're going to stick it back in the microwave. So we are going to put it in the microwave and microwave it for 30 seconds. With this recipe, it would be easy to add additional vegetables that you may like, spinach, mushrooms, this time of year asparagus. If you have some leftover broccoli or something, you could easily throw it in there. If you don't like, say, peppers, then for sure, leave them out and add another one. So you can see the center is what's not going to be cooked. So you're just going to want to break that up again and stir it around. Okay. And then put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds roughly. What you're looking for is that the egg is almost set. You don't want to cook it to the point where it's done the way you like the eggs typically, because it will continue to cook a little bit when you take it out, just as you know, the heat starts to dissipate out of the eggs. All right. So that looks good. What I'm going to do is put the fork that I had the raw egg back in the sink, and I'll take another one out. So there you have it, the Denver Scramble. If you think of your My Plate, you've got your protein in your eggs and your ham. You've got a little bit of vegetable with the onion and the pepper. I've added an orange. If you add a piece of toast and a milk, you got a complete healthy meal. Enjoy!